You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than negative 29 over 20 smaller than negative 19 over 20. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 25 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 20. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than negative 29 over 20 smaller than negative 19 over 20.